KHUTLAI PAIBA SINGNA Meecham the attack TOURAKPADA Indian Security Force na Tougadouriba Mathou Asi Meecham Puthorakpa Khaktara HAINA RPA ATHAWALE National Secretary MAHESWAR THOUNAOJAM na HANGLAKLI Haukiba numit kharani asida khanghaudana Tougadouriba the Irang Kansilakba amade Irang asida Central Force singna Lauriba Thaudangi matang ngarang Delhi gi 11 Sabdarjang Road ta leiba Party Office da pangthokpa paugi mifam amada wafam asi fongdokladuna makna makhatana hai Irang Haurakba Mafam Singda Central Force Singna Lauriba Thaudang Asi Mi Hondok Honjin Tauba Adu Khaktara Malemgi Mapangan Laibida Singtha Nariba Indian Security Force Singna Irang Thokfom Adu da Changsinduna attack Taurakliba Sing Thengnabagi Mahutta Mi Hondok Honjin Tauriba Asi Karigino Masidi Adungai Kashmir dagi Kashmiri Pandit Singh Hondoklaga Union Territory Semkibagi Thawong Aduga Pangkakne Asigumba Thaudok Asi Makhatana Thoktanaba Ngasigi Lengak Asina Hena akan bibidang changhong thoi Ngasidi Irang asigi mabung faba warishin ama puraknaba kana honaba matam oire haina magna makhataki.
How great was the attack is that the might of the Indian security forces could not protect our innocent Meitei. The decision of evacuating the Meitei people from their homes, it really adds the confusion and the frustration to the people. So why they are doing so, it is really confusing. The decision to evacuate rather than directly confront the attackers raised the questions about the effectiveness of the security measures given in our state. And it is really crucial to assess why the evacuation was deemed necessary, whether it was the best course of action to ensure the safety of the residents. It is really questionable. Many questions are rising. The central forces must give the adequate security to the people of Manipur, to the indigenous people of Manipur. We must recognize that the evacuation process will not be the solution.